Now we're going to go over the counting rules or the principles of counting. If the number of possible outcomes in an experiment is small, it's easy for us to count them to figure them out. But when there are a large number of possible outcomes, then it would be very tedious for us to count all of the possibilities. To facilitate this, we discuss three formulas: the multiplication formula, permutation formula, and combination formula. So let's start with the multiplication formula. The multiplication formula indicates that if there are m ways of doing one thing and n ways of doing another thing, then there are m times n ways of doing both. So in this example, Dr. Long has 10 shirts and 8 ties. How many shirt and tie outfits do we have? We simply multiply them together, 10 times 8, to get 80 different shirt and tie outfits. Now let's look at another example. An automobile dealer wants to advertise for $29,999. You can buy a convertible 2-door sedan or a 4-door model with your choice of either wire wheel covers or solid wheel covers. How many different arrangements or combinations of models and wheel covers can the dealer offer? So we are going to use the multiplication formula and multiply the 3 different types of vehicles times the 2 different wheel cover options. 3 times 2 is 6. So there are 6 total possible options if you were to buy this $29,999 automobile deal.